In a computer system, memory refers to the electronic components that are used to store and retrieve data for immediate use by the processor. It plays a crucial role in the overall performance and functionality of a computer. There are several types of memory in a computer system, each serving a different purpose. Here are some of the main types. Random access memory (RAM). RAM is the primary form of memory in a computer. It is volatile, meaning its contents are lost when the computer is powered off. RAM provides fast access to data and instructions that are actively being used by the processor. It acts as a temporary workspace for the CPU and holds data such as operating system files, application programs, and data being processed in real time. Examples include DDR4 (Double Data Rate 4) RAM used in desktop computers and servers. Read-only memory (ROM). ROM is a type of non-volatile memory that contains permanent instructions or data that cannot be altered or erased. It stores firmware or software instructions that are essential for booting up the computer and initializing hardware components. Examples include the BIOS, basic input-output system, in a computer, or firmware in devices like game consoles. Cache memory. Cache memory is a small, high-speed memory located closer to the CPU. It is designed to temporarily store frequently accessed data and instructions, reducing the time it takes for the processor to retrieve them from the slower main memory. The cache memory helps improve the overall performance of the computer by providing faster access to critical data. Modern CPUs often have multiple levels of cache memory, such as L1, L2, and L3 caches. Virtual memory. Virtual memory is a technique that allows a computer to use a portion of the hard disk as an extension of RAM. It provides an illusion of having more RAM than physically available by swapping data between RAM and the hard disk. When RAM becomes full, less frequently used data is moved to the virtual memory on the disk, freeing up space in RAM for other processes. This allows the computer to run more programs simultaneously. The page file in Windows systems is an example of virtual memory. Flash memory. Flash memory is a non-volatile memory that retains data even when power is removed. It is commonly used for storage devices such as USB flash drives, solid-state drives, SSDs, memory cards, and some types of portable devices. Flash memory is known for its high-speed access and durability, making it ideal for applications that require quick data access and resistance to shock and vibration. Magnetic disk storage. While not strictly a type of memory, magnetic disk storage, such as hard disk drives, HDDs, is often used for long-term storage of data in computer systems. It provides high-capacity storage at a relatively lower cost compared to other memory types. Magnetic disks store data magnetically on spinning platters, allowing for persistent storage of files, programs, and other data. These are some of the main types of memory found in computer systems, each serving a different purpose in the storage and retrieval of data and instructions.